This 5-minute solution will show you how to set up mic on Xbox. Launch your Xbox and click on your profile. Click on settings. Select audio. And here you will get input device. Click on this drop down. And from here you have to select your input device. So currently I'm using this mic, so I'm selecting this one. And also here you can change your output device. And you can change your voice volume from here. You can enable noise suppression from here. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.